Hi everybody, this is Beachcricket, and I don't know if you can hear all that, but there's wind, lots of wind outside, and it is blowing around out there a lot. So I'm going to do a project inside, and I thought I'd share it with you because it might be helpful to you. It's just one of those things that I try to share, and maybe you'll learn something. Anyway, this is what I'm going to do, so hang on. It's kicking up the dust everywhere. You can barely see. Wow. Okay, so I've got my dog house. That's the covering that goes over the engine off and pulled to the side because I wanted to look inside my compartment where the air filter is located at, which is right over there, right there. And I wanted to see, because you know I have a little mouse that keeps coming in every night. Lately, it comes in for a short little time now because I have done, you wouldn't believe all the stuff I've been doing. Anyway, this place has really been peppermint oiled and washed with bleach. They don't like bleach either. All over. Inside, I have checked every nook and cranny. I've been looking everywhere to see if I could find a nest anywhere. So far, no nest. Well, I thought, well, one time when I was in Cinnamon Girl, my van that I had before Shuttle Babe, there was dog food, and there was a nest inside the air filter compartment. So I thought, I haven't checked that. So I took off the dog house, and I've been looking all around and cleaning as I go. It's kind of fun checking all the little hoses and wires and making sure that everything's connected well. And it's so nice to see that 7.3 liter diesel. Just, I don't know, just really is a good feeling. Anyway, she's looking really good. I don't see anything at all, and you know, part of me is like relieved, and another part of me is like, well, darn it. So I think he's just coming in at night. And amazing, the bait that I put over here by the door, I put it down here, and he comes in every night, and you can hear him eating the bait. So why isn't he dead? I don't get it. Anyway, might be just different mice coming in every night. I don't know. But the activity is not in the bus. It's just right here in the entrance doorway. So I hear it every night coming in about 4 o'clock in the morning. And on that little block of bait over there. And then it's gone within about 30 minutes. And that's it. And there's been no anything in the bus at all as far as the mice going anywhere else. But hey, that's what my project was today, was to check that. And as I'm doing it, I just thought I'd look all the way around and check everything and see if everything looked connected. So that was a project that was really kind of fun in a way. I love seeing the engine and all the stuff. I know it's kind of weird, but it's always nice to make sure that your stuff is connected, looking okay, no loose wires, all that kind of stuff. And every time I do that, I just wipe it down a little bit because it really does get really cruddy under there, you know. So I can put that back together with the air filter back in there and put the dog house back on, because no nest. Alright, let's see what else we can get into. Okay, so after a little bit of reflection, I decided that I would close the hose up that goes in for the intake with a, this is a air filter that you put in your air conditioner. The little sheets, they come like this, and I just cut it, and then I got just a band like this and tightened it on with a screwdriver, and that should just block the mouse to go inside this air filter. When I cleaned out the inside of this air filter, there were mice droppings in there. So hopefully this, I don't know if this is how they were getting in, but this should deter them to be able to get in here. I'm just trying to think outside the box a little bit. I don't think that it should bother anything as far as the airflow. So if it does, I'll take it off. But I'm going to try this for now and see if that possibly can maybe deter a mouse from coming in. All right. So there it is, blocking the entranceway with an air filter to the air filter. So we'll see if that does anything for me. If any of you mechanics think this is not a good idea, just let me know. I'm just trying to think outside the box. All right. Well, that was it. I hope that solves some problem. It's not as bad as it was, but I'm determined to get this this situation at hand under control. Whoops, my tea is about to, there you go, turn you off. I'm rewarding myself with a cup of tea. I'm having some wonderful Earl Grey. So anyway, I'm going to relax now, play with my little girls. I'll give you a little shot of them in just a minute so you don't miss out on seeing the girl pups. This is Beachcricket, and I'm telling you to wake up and live, have your adventures, because it's your life, and you need to just enjoy it as much as you possibly can, any way that you like. And in a good way, I hope. Nomad Life rocks, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hold on for the pups. There's little Riley. Hey, Riley. Say hello. Wait for your sister. And there's Roxy. Say hi, Rox. Yeah. What are you smelling my hairbrush for, Riley? Alrighty. Just wanted to let you have a little quick peek at the girls. Bye-bye.